Hey there, it's me, Adhikari. Today we gonna analyze and predict the stock market by machine learning predictions using Python libraries like yfinance, neuralprophet, pandas, and matplotlib. So without any further ado, let's start today's session. Okay, now I am on my Colab. Before doing anything, firstly install the required libraries. So let's open a new notebook. Pip install yfinance, press enter, shift enter, then pip install neuralprophet. This library is being installed. I have done it already, so it reflect me that requirement already satisfied message. Okay, now importing required module and classes. Okay, from neuralprophet, import neuralprophet, then import yfinance as yf, import pandas as pd, and also import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, then press shift plus enter. Okay, here's the error. Neuralprophet from neuralprophet. Okay, here's the right neuralprophet in camel case. Okay, shift enter. So we're gonna predict the market of BMW. For that, we have known the stock symbol of that BMW. So here's the BMW.de, which is the stock symbol of the BMW. Here symbol equals to, what was the symbol? BMW.de. Okay, this is the symbol. As date, which means start date. Let's take a date from 2012 0101. Then e date, which means the ending date. Let's give 2024 Feb 16. Press shift plus enter. Now we have to download the data. So stock data is equals to yfinance as yf dot download. What to download? Symbol comma strt start equals to s date comma end equals to e date. Press shift plus enter, and then the downloading is ongoing. Here's the download completed. So let's see, print what? Stock data. stock stock data dot head. Shift enter. Okay, here's the downloaded data, which includes date and the open market value, then high market value and low market value, and close position, adjacent close position, and its volume. Okay, so this is the data from the 2012 to yesterday 2024 to 16. So our data is downloaded successfully. Now changing it into the CSV format so that stock data dot to CSV, and let's give it to the name stocks data dot CSV. Press shift enter. Okay, the stock data changes into the stocks data dot CSV. Now read that CSV, declaring the variable name stocks. Stocks is equals to panda pds dot read CSV, which file stock stocks data dot CSV. Then press shift enter. Let's check inside the folder. Stocks data.csv. Oh, we forgot the code here. Okay, then press shift enter. Okay, so let's see the types of this CSV. Stocks.dtypes, then press shift enter. Oh no, here the data has its value as an object, but we need it as a date. Okay, no problem, simply doing type conversion. Stocks, then type conversion for what? Date is equals to pd dot to date time, then cs stocks, data. Again shift enter. Here it throws error again and again. Stocks date. Oh, sorry. It's not okay, it's date. Here's the type error. We are currently doing the type conversion for the type of this data. Here's the stocks data, here's the date, and here's the data. So conflict occurs. Oh, here's the date. Shift enter. Check again if the type changed or not. Stocks.dtypes. But the thing is, to train our model, we don't need all these fields like open, high, close, adjacent close, and volume. So removing them, stock stocks is equals to stocks. Here I have given it to square bracket, since now we're dealing with the 2D data as one is date and another is close. So these two square bracket are for two-dimensional data. Then press shift enter. Let's print the stocks. Okay, here we filtered the data to the date and close only. Okay, now setting up the date in x-axis and values in y-axis as stocks columns is equals to ds and y. Here ds stands for date stamp. It plots the ds column on the x-axis and y for the column on the y-axis. Okay, plotting the dates, plt.plot, then stock stocks ds stocks y, and let's give label is equals to real market. Then I'm going to give color equals to green, press shift enter. Y is not defined. Okay, so here we have done a minor mistake. Okay, we have forgot to put a code here. Okay, so it plots a real-time market signal. So here our actual market path that shows up the footprint of the market since 2012 to 2024 Feb 16. For training the model, we use neuralprophet. Let's say model is equals to neuralprophet, and then let's fit the model.fit stocks, then press shift enter. Okay, now for a future prediction, we use make future datagram function. So let's make a variable named future is equals to model.make future data frame, and then let's pass the parameter stocks and periods is equal to, let's say, 200. Here the 200 defines the total number of days to predict future. So let's enter. For future prediction is equals to model.predict future. Again, for real-time prediction, model.predict stocks. Okay, now plotting these, plt.plot real-time prediction, pass the value of ds data stamp, comma, real-time prediction, and here's the value of y hat 1. Label is equals to, let's say, real-time prediction, color is equals to red. Okay, here y hat 1 is used to represent the predicted value and forecasted value for target variable. So plot again, plt.plot. Now plot for a future prediction passes data stamp, comma, future prediction, y hat 1, real, okay. Label is equals to future prediction, color equals to blue. Then again, plt.plot, plot what? Plot stocks, ds, stocks, here only y, label is equals to, it's for real market, okay. Then color equals to green. So we gonna display all of these labels to our diagram. So for that, plt.legend, plot.legend, and then plt.show. Okay, press shift and enter. Oh, type error again. So y hat 1, y hat, okay, enter. Oh, it plots 3 signals, green for real market and blue for future predictions. So again, here I do not providing any financial support. I just trying to learn machine learning techniques for